Top 5 data visualization tools. In the IT industry today, data science is playing a major role in careers that require visualization tools to analyze and obtain valuable insights from data are numerous in various industries. Analysts are very familiar with the need for the data to be visualized for better understanding and study of data patterns and trends. In this video, I'll be discussing some of the best data visualization tools used by analysts and data scientists in various industries to present data to senior executive members, managers, and customers. In my previous video, I explained top 10 data modeling tools and predictive analytics tools for every data science career-minded individual. You can find the link to these videos below. What is data visualization? Data visualization is simply the aesthetic display of data in form of graphs, charts, images for better understanding of analyzed data. A text-based data is visualized graphically in the form of charts, graphs, tables, infographics, maps, and so on. With the help of visualizations, new insights and hidden patterns in data can be detected. Here is my list of top 5 data visualization tools. 1. Tableau. Tableau is an interactive data visualization software used for effective data analysis and data visualization in different industries with a drag and drop interface that helps it to perform tasks easily and faster. No need for its users to write codes and is compatible with a lot of data sources. Tableau is a bit expensive, but mostly preferred choice for Fortune companies. ClickView is the biggest competitor of Tableau, and the tool is extensively used because of its unique drag and drop feature. Tableau tool is also a real-time collaboration along with data mixing. Number 2. ClickView. A similar tool to Tableau, ClickView is a pay-before-use software. If its use is intended for commercial purpose. Also a business intelligence platform that turns data into useful information. ClickView helps to improve the data visualization process, and data visualization tool is easily deployable as well as configurable. ClickView integrates with a great and very wide range of data sources such as EC2, Impala, HP Vertica, and so on. 3. Microsoft Power BI. Power BI is a business analytics service by Microsoft. It aims to provide interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface simple enough for end users to create their own reports and dashboards. It can easily integrate with Microsoft tools and free to use and download for beginners. Microsoft Power BI is available for both mobile and desktop versions and generates interactive data visualizations across multiple data centers. It offers enterprise data analytics as well as self-service on a single platform. Non-data scientists can easily create machine learning models in Power BI. 4. ClickSense. ClickSense is also a popular data analysis and visualization software. At its core, it operates with an associative QIX engine. This engine enables the user to link and associate data from different sources to carry out analysis. ClickSense serves as a data analytics platform for a wide range of users, that is, from non-technical to technical users. ClickSense focuses more on data visualization as it has augmented graphics. However, in ClickView, you can manipulate data in a lot of technical ways through scripting. If your motive of using ClickSense is visualizing and analyzing data in the best possible graphics, then you have made the right choice. ClickView provides lots of flexibility to the users as they can carry out completely independent operations with the self-service visualizations and analysis. Also, they can be guided by augmented machine-guided analysis by the cognitive engine of ClickSense. ClickSense uses an associative model in which users are free to explore the vast and complex data and draw intuitive insights from it. Integrating large data files from multiple sources is possible in ClickSense. The clients can share data applications and reports on a centralized hub. Along with this, they can share secure data models, export the data stories, etc. to enhance their business. Features of ClickSense: A. Associative model. B. Smart visualization and analytics. C. Enterprise governance and scalability. D. App mobility. E. Self-service creation. F. Centralized sharing and collaboration. G. Data storytelling and reporting. H. Data preparation and integration. I. The QIX engine. Number 5. SciSense. SciSense visualization abilities offer an uncomplicated drag and drop option that can easily support complicated graphics, charts, and interactive visualizations. It allows the accumulation of records in easily accessible repositories where it can be saved instantly on the dashboards. SciSense offers users with various tools to understand collected data in a visual environment and provide direct connectivity with multiple data sources. Conclusively, data is driving the economy positively and will continue in the coming years. Smart businesses are using different tools to analyze and visualize large data sets to gain insight from data and provide a personalized experience to its users. For more data science videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button to be informed on future videos. Also visit DataCatchup.com for various topics in data analytics and trends. Thank you for watching. Interested in your career growth in data science? Visit DataCatchup.com. Also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more data science videos.